This teaching is a powerful way to embody sixth density service on Earth. So how to embody sixth density service in Earth life? 1. Remember the core of sixth density. Sixth density is the realm of unity, where love, fourth density, and wisdom, fifth density, are fully balanced. The goal isn't to escape the human experience, but to infuse it with the understanding that all is one. So your starting principle is, you can say to yourself, every person, event, and challenge is another self, another face of the one infinite creator. 2. Serve through presence, not agenda. Service in sixth density is not about helping others from a place of superiority. It's about radiating alignment and responding intuitively to what the moment calls for. Practice deep listening. Offer help only when it honors both your free will and the free will of others. Remember, sometimes holding space or saying no can be a higher form of service than rescuing. 3. Balance compassion and wisdom. This is the hallmark of sixth density, the fusion of heart and discernment. Compassion without wisdom leads to martyrdom and burnout. Wisdom without compassion leads to detachment and coldness. Integration. Have clear love and loving clarity. Ask yourself often, is my action rooted in both love and clear seeing? 4. Live in continuous self-reflection. Self-awareness is key. You recognize every trigger, every resistance, every joy as feedback from your own higher self. Meditate or journal daily to align with your witness consciousness. Observe without judgment. Let go of identification with temporary emotions. They are signals, not identity. 5. See the sacred in the mundane. Sixth density service doesn't mean being out there or overtly spiritual. It's about seeing divinity in everything, the dishes, the traffic, your coworkers, the chaos. Each moment is an opportunity to express unity consciousness. You can say to yourself, this too is the Creator exploring itself. 6. Radiate, don't convince. You don't need to convert or preach. Just be what you've realized. Sixth density beings serve by vibration, not persuasion. Your presence alone shifts the field around you. 7. Stay humble, stay human. Even while you integrate higher density awareness, honor your human experience. Eat, laugh, grieve, rest, connect. Your embodiment as a human is the vehicle for higher service. So in summary, how to embody sixth density service in Earth life. 1. Remember the core of sixth density. 2. Serve through presence, not agenda. 3. Balance compassion and wisdom. 4. Live in continuous self-reflection. 5. See the sacred in the mundane. 6. Radiate, don't convince. And 7. Stay humble, stay human. Hope you were empowered by this teaching on how to embody sixth density service on Earth. Together, by embodying these principles, we can uplift humanity and the Earth. God bless all beings.